Jason Yoss, president of GoldenWest Management. Today's topic in our Landlord's How-To series is, what do I do when my tenant replaces the locks and my keys no longer work? First and foremost, don't jump into accusations. Cooler heads will always prevail. Now, you should always test and properly label your keys before a tenant takes possession. Copies can often be cut badly and they won't match the originals, and so they won't work. Start by asking the tenant, did you change the locks? Because they might have a good reason. Ask if they can provide you with a copy of their key, and if you have to, the easiest way is to offer them a $5 key copy credit. They can include it with next month's rent, or you can have a rep go pick it up. Just make sure you test that new key. If the tenant is non-responsive or unwilling to cooperate, then provide them with a notice to cure. It's basically a formal letter saying, if you don't provide me with a copy of the key, then we're going to change the locks and you're going to have to get a new key from us. Now, it may be difficult to charge a tenant when having the unit rekeyed, which is like a $50 to $150. So unless you have definitive proof, just accept that you now have keys at work. You have the right to emergency access to the property, which includes working keys. So if the tenant tries to change the locks again, you're going to have some leverage if you got to take the situation to the next step, like eviction or court or even non-renewal. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share, as well as hit the subscribe button on your YouTube channel. And remember, GoldenWest is here to help you rent it like you mean it.